Okay, today we are talking about pipe sealants and threads. Okay, so first off, there's Teflon tape, there's pipe dope. I always recommend using Teflon tape and pipe dope on all your threaded pipe connections. But I want to draw your attention here. There's different types of pipe dope and Teflon tape. So you always want to read the package to make sure you're getting the proper one for your application. What do I mean by that? Well, there's some pipe dopes and tapes that are designed for water systems, some designed for metal pipe, some designed for plastic pipe. So read the label. This sort of ubiquitous white Teflon tape is fine for potable water use, but you do not want to use this on gas pipe. If you read the label on this yellow one, it tells you for what PSI and what diameter pipe this is good for, and it tells you it's good for gas piping, so natural gas, propane, etc. So again, always read the label, and you can see it's color-coded to differentiate the difference. So keep that in mind. It even says on their yellow gasoline. And yes, I do recommend using Teflon tape and pipe dope on even your plastic pipe connections as well. Just be careful not to over tighten them. So a quick demonstration. So I have this brass bushing, and I have this adapter coupling, and I want to thread the brass bushing into this adapter coupling. And these are National Pipe Thread, and it's for water. So I'm first going to apply my white Teflon tape, about 3-4 wraps all the way around. And when you install Teflon tape, you want to wrap it in the direction that you would thread the female coupler onto the male fitting. And it's up to you. You can either spin the fitting like I'm doing or spin the whole roll of Teflon tape. And you want to leave that last thread on the very end exposed. You never want your Teflon tape to be rolled over that edge, because you don't want Teflon tape or pipe dope flowing into your piping system. And then I simply add a very small amount of pipe dope directly over the Teflon tape. It doesn't take very much. Pipe sealants act as a sealant, but they also act as a lubricant during assembly and disassembly. And don't force them together, gently screw them together. Once you get them hand tight, then take your pipe wrench, your adjustable wrench, etc., and tighten them a few more turns to achieve a watertight, leak-proof connection. Something to note, if you look at this diagram, you'll see the threads on this faucet are labeled as 1/2" -14 NPSM. That means they're National Pipe Thread straight or parallel threads, and they're male threads. They are not tapered. That is different than 1/2" NPT threads. If you look at the 1/2" National Pipe threads here, they're tapered. So just keep that in mind. There is a difference between the two. Usually the straight threads, you'll have a rubber grommet or washer inside the mating female coupler. Finally, here is a brass and steel pipe thread installation procedure and torque specification table and chart. So you see we have the pipe thread size and the assembly turns from finger tight with pipe thread sealant or Teflon tape applied, and the torque spec down below. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.